So this is going to be a quick video demo of the Covia web application, which is the gateway to the Covia grid capabilities. So one of the important things in the grid is the idea of venues. It's a federated grid, so different organizations can run their own venues, which give access to their own data, their own services, their own capabilities. And as you can see here, I've got a number of different venues that I've connected to. So I can go into any of these and I can see some information about the venues, including digital identifiers, model context protocol, URLs, etc. And all these venues can host a number of different operations, which are the functions that can be called on the grid in order to execute different functionality. So I'm going to select one of these operations. Let's take, for example, Gemini model chat. I can click into it. I can give it a number of different parameters, so I can choose my model, I can send my prompt, I've got my secret API key set up, so I can say, okay, let's write a poem about a car. I'm going to run this operation, and this has started a job on the venue to execute the service, and it's come back with a response. It's come back with a nice little poem. But importantly, this has been executed by the venue, so that everything has happened has been recorded, it's auditable, you've got a full record of the inputs and the outputs that were sent. And this can be orchestrated across any number of different venues and any number of different AIs, different models, different backend services, etc. And I can see in my user history a list of all the different operations that I've executed if I want to go back and examine those. As well as operations, we also have artifacts. So artifacts is data with attached metadata, which makes it fully auditable, and so you can track what data has been used in order to fulfill which functions. So I've got a number of artifacts loaded up here. So for example, this one is the classic iris data set from machine learning research. And as you can see, we've got the data itself. We can download it, but it's also got a set of important metadata which describes the asset and makes sure that it's accessible for all the different use cases. So hopefully that's interesting. Look forward to telling you a lot more soon.